Curtis Dawkins, the maths teacher who take time out to make the youth them have education scene. And where's the square is when you time a number by itself, you know, that's where you find square. Mr. Dawkins, teach the youths. This one for the youth of the future. Play and learn now. Take your lesson serious. 1 square equal 1. The square root for 1 is 1. 2 square equal 4. The square root for 4 is 2. 3 square equal 9. The square root for 9 is 3. 4 square equal 16. The square root for 16 is 4. 5 square equal 25. The square root for 25 is 5. 6 square equal 36. The square root for 36 is 6. So, children, play and learn, do good in school. Listen what the teacher teach you. No, no, no. 7 square equal 49. The square root for 49 is 7. 8 square equal 64. The square root for 64 is 8. 9 square equal 81. The square root for 81 is 9. 10 square equal 100. The square root for 100 is 10. 11 square equal 121. The square root for 121 is 11. 12 square equal 144. The square root for 144 is 12. So learn, do good in school. Listen what the teacher teach you. No, no, no. 13 square equal 169. The square root for 169 is 30. 14 square equal 196. The square root for 196 is 14. 15 square equal 225. The square root for 225 is 15. So children, play and learn, do good in school. Listen what the teacher teach you. No, no.
Mr. Curtis Dawkins, this is Tenor Star, taking time out my busy schedule to let the youths them know if you want to be a superstar, you gotta get mathematics right. One time, listen.
Oh, when you find yourselves in times of trouble, Curtis Dawkins is there for you. Teaching the youths some love, let it be. And in your hour of darkness, he's standing right in front of you, Teaching the youth some love, let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be, Curtis Dawkins the answer. Let it be.